All right, I got my Husqvarna YTH 20K46. I've had this since I think 2008, if I had to be guessing. This is 2026, so I've had it for a while. Spindle has gone bad. The teeth on the star bit on the bottom have ground out to nothing. I think because I hit a stump. I noticed that a blade was loose, and I went to replace the blade recently when I did the service. I changed the oil yesterday and replaced the blades, and the spindle was just spinning. I couldn't get any traction on it. So I Googled it and found out that the part that comes from this bolt all the way to the bottom of the star bit is called a spindle. Now I want to take this off, and I watched some videos that were really helpful. These are 3/8 bolts that takes your little shroud off. This is the little piece that fits right there. Okay, that comes off. I can undo this pin here and drop the deck down, and then I can remove the pulley by undo the belt, undo the pulley. He said this was a 7/8, so I'm gonna take his word for it and give it a shot. But here we go. So I undid the little pin and dropped this down. That let me get to this a little bit easier. I just maneuvered it off of here and just moved to the side. And yes, this is a 7/8. Right, because I'm gonna be loosening this, I need to stop the blade from spinning. So I put a piece of wood here against the side just to stop it from moving. Then I got some traction to hold it. That was hard because the teeth were ground down on the bottom so much on the blade that I had nothing to hold it. So this thing was just freely spinning. I had to use some vice grips and some angles and WD-40. And anyway, I'm down to this. Now I gotta pop this out. All right, I picked me up a new part here. You can tell this one's new because it's got the little oil nipple thing on the end of it. That one had broke off. But yeah, just had to pick that up from my local Mosley outdoor lawnmower place. Now I need to just poke it back on here. Should be simple, right? Yeah, let's just poke it back on here. There, now it's done. I'm just kidding. I do have a good star bit at the bottom. That looks a lot healthier than this one right here that was completely just obliterated. Yeah, now I got something for the blade to hang on to. But yeah, should be just as simple as poking it on there. All right, let's do the thing. All right, I know I jokingly just put this on top of here, but I literally thought that it goes on top until I went to put the screws in, and I was like, why isn't it attaching to nothing? And then I had to crawl underneath it and go, oh yeah, the other one has it where the base is underneath, because these are threaded. So you come in from the top through the deck, and it threads into this, which holds it in place. So that's done. I tightened this down. This is a 13mm bolt here. I used a block of wood to hold the blade so it wouldn't turn, and I tightened that down all the way. I also tightened this nut down. It has a washer that's a little thicker than this one. It fits directly on top of the pulley. And then this has teeth on it that grab right there too. But that's a 7/8 right there. Tighten that down. Made sure that my guide posts were back up. They attach on either side here. In the process, I actually broke one of my little Harbor Freight zippity doodahs. I probably need to get like a legit brand, not just Harbor Freight, like something more durable, because I do tear these up. But I had a bigger size, so I was able to use the bigger one. But anyway, that's in there now. All I gotta do is put this little cover on with these two little tiny screws, and then we're gonna call that DUN done. All right, so let's go ahead and button this up. Everything zipped back up, tightened down, all set up. Let's give it a shot. Call that fixed. So the part from Mosley cost me 49 bucks. I probably could have gotten it cheaper online, but I want to make sure it's a good quality part that fit. And it was. So we're gonna call that good. I do need to get some grease to grease that up with. That'll be on the list. So, but yeah, I went around the yard. It cut great. It sounds like it's supposed to again. All the blades were moving like they should. Nothing clanking around. Nothing all loosey-goosey. So, all right. We're going to call that a job well done. Thanks for watching, y'all.